Good morning, students. Today we are going to know something about threats to biodiversity. There are many threats to biodiversity today. The biggest ones can be remembered by using the acronym HIPPO, that is simply HIPPO. This concept was introduced by the Harvard University professor Edward O. Wilson. H stands for habitat destruction, I stands for invasion, P population growth, another P stands for pollution, the last one O stands for overexploitation. The first one, which is the most important threat to the biodiversity, habitat loss. This occurs when a particular area is converted from usable to unusable habitat. In this slide you are seeing the habitat destruction. The tropical forest and temperate forest are continuously destructed due to the human activities. Here the second threat, that is invasive species. When an animal, plant or microbe moves into a new area, it can affect the resident species in several different ways. So this slide you are seeing a snake known as Australian brown tree snake. This snake introduced from Australia to the Guam through a cargo transport, that is through the sea, that is ship. So in the year 1859 Thomas Astin introduced another example for invasion, that is 24 rabbits to Australia. So in 19th century it's more than 1 billion. So invasive species and invasion process, okay, so they are threatening biodiversity. The third one, that is the population growth. So here in this slide you are seeing the world population growth. So before 10,000 years, so during the early agriculture, the human population is around 10 million. Now you are in 2020, now it's about 8 billion, that is 800 crore people are there on this earth. So the P stands for, the second P stands for pollution. So the discharge of toxic synthetic chemicals and heavy metals into the environment has a huge impact on species abundance and can lead to the extinction. So in this slide you are seeing the atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration during the last 50 years. If you look at the graph, in 1950 it's about 310 ppm. Now it's about now in 2020 it's about 415 ppm. So the last one is the overexploitation. Overexploitation or over harvesting. So this includes targeted hunting, gathering or fishing for a particular species, as well as incidental harvesting such as bycatch in ocean fisheries, the megafauna extinction. For example, megafauna extinction. So this slide is having the one most important plant species and animal species, that is tiger, Panthera tigris. This is also a endangered species according to IUCN. So here the plant species Araca asoka belongs to the family Caesalpinaceae. This is also a vulnerable species under IUCN threat categories. So there are many threats for biodiversity. If you are able to remember the word HIPPO, that is HIPPO, then easily you can remember what are the major threats for biodiversity. Please keep the word HIPPO in your mind, then easily you can catch hold on with the threats which are posing on biodiversity.